Welcome from my tiny kitchen. Watch this quick video and learn how to make this easy no-bake chocolate ganache tart, a simple cookie crust and a luxurious rich dark chocolate filling, the perfect tea treat or dessert. This no-bake recipe is really easy to make. Think about the day you've had and crush tea biscuits in a zip-top bag or blitz in a food processor until fine. Then add in melted butter and mix until evenly distributed. The mixture should resemble wet sea sand. When ready, line a muffin tray with paper cups. Divide the butter and biscuit mix between them. Press in using a teaspoon or a small rolling pin. This recipe makes 4 tarts. You can easily double the recipe if you need to. When you are done with the base, place in the refrigerator while making the filling. For the luxurious dark chocolate ganache filling, bring double cream to the boil and remove from the heat. Then add in the chocolate and butter, leave to stand for a minute or two, and then mix until smooth. Divide the chocolate filling between the bases and refrigerate until the chocolate ganache is set. When these beautiful tarts have set, you can garnish them with whipped cream or fresh berries. And there you have it, a quick, really easy to make no-bake chocolate ganache tart. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Check out some of these other videos for more baking inspiration. See you next time.